Evada. To avoid or escape from something cleverly. Example: the thief tried to evade the police by running through the narrow streets. Vigilant. Being watchful and alert to danger. Example: the security guard remained vigilant throughout the night, watching for any suspicious activity. Substantiate. To provide proof or evidence to support a claim. Example: the scientist substantiated her theory with thorough research and data. Auspicious. Showing signs of future success, favorable. Example: it was an auspicious day for the wedding, with perfect weather and happy guests. Concur. To agree or have the same opinion. Example: all the team members concurred that the project should be completed by Friday. Dexterous. Skillful and quick, especially with hands. Example: the artist was so dexterous that she could paint with both hands at the same time. Insinuate. To suggest or hint something indirectly. Example: he insinuated that she might be responsible for the mistake, without directly accusing her. Jargon. Difficult for others to understand. Example: the doctor used so much medical jargon that I couldn't understand what he was saying. Kudos. Praise or compliments for an achievement. Example: kudos to the team for completing the project ahead of schedule. Fervent. Having or showing intense passion or enthusiasm. Example: she was a fervent supporter of the charity and volunteered her time every weekend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.